Hello student, in this section of video we will deal with the concept of rational and irrational number. Now without wasting any time we will move to the definition of rational number. A number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is called as rational number. Now, a rational number can be expressed in the form of terminating or repeating decimals. See, this is the definition of rational number, and this will be more clear with the given example. Now, see, if a number is written in the form of p by q, and where p and q are integers, if somebody is not knowing about the integers, then I'll let you know about the integers also in this section of video. See, what are integers? Integers are like number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and numbers like 0, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Actually, integers are the numbers which are non-fraction in nature. Means the numbers which are not in fraction is known as integer. Suppose 3, 4, 5. 1 is always there in the denominator of every fraction, but actually 1 is there always in the denominator of every number. But here non-fraction means that if you solve that particular number, you won't be getting decimal number. Now, the definition of rational number will be more clear with the given example. See, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. When you have solved 1 by 2, we are getting 0.5. See, here the decimal is terminating. Means after 5 nothing is there. So here this concept is clear. Now moving to the another example, 2 by 3. After solving we are getting 0.666 and so on, and I have written over here is equal to 0.6 bar. Bar means that 6 will be coming after this, means 6 will keep on coming after the decimal point. So here the concept of repeating decimal is also clear. Here, which is given in the definition. So I hope you have understand the definition of rational number. Now moving to the definition of irrational number, you can have a look. A number which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is a non-zero, is termed as irrational number. An irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating in nature. Now this definition will be more clear with the given example. See, under root 2, if we solve it, we are getting 1.414213, and after that also we will be getting any other number, not 3. We will be getting any other number. So it is clarifying this point, non-repeating. Now again moving to the, and it is non-terminating also. See, it is kept on going. Numbers will come after this also. That's why I have shown over here ... Okay, now see, under root 3 we are getting 1.732050 and so on. After 0 some other number will come, and it is also clarifying the definition of non-repeating and non-terminating. So in that way the concept or the definition of rational and irrational number is clear to you all. Now I have given some of the question to you. Identify rational and irrational numbers. Here in A part 2, B part pi, C part under root 7, T part under root 16. Now go through this concept and try to solve more and more question at home, so that you can be able to understand the concept of rational and irrational number. I hope you have enjoyed this section of video. Stay at home, stay blessed, since corona is spreading with a quite high rate in Lucknow. So be safe, be at your home. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.